Are you prepared for any emergency? Whether you're an experienced outdoorsman or simply want to be prepared for the unexpected, having the right survival gear is essential. Thankfully, Amazon has a wide array of survival gear and gadgets to choose from. But which ones are the best? Well, to help you out, we've come up with the 10 must-have survival gear and gadgets on Amazon. So let's dive in. Starting a fire is one of the most fundamental survival skills, and the ProAmp Tech Fire Strip Roll simplifies this critical task. It's designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, ensuring that you can start a fire even in the harshest of conditions. Whether you are out in the wilderness or facing an emergency situation, it offers a reliable solution to light a fire. It can be easily ignited with a spark from a fire starter, ferrocerium rod, or a simple lighter, making it accessible to individuals with varying levels of survival expertise. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your survival kit, camping gear, or bug-out bag, ensuring that you are always prepared for fire making. Truly a must-have for any survivalist's toolkit.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
In emergency situations, having a reliable source of light is crucial for navigation, signaling, and general safety. The Streamlight Survivor is a high-performance, rechargeable flashlight that was initially designed for first responders, but has proven to be equally valuable for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. It's equipped with a high-intensity LED that can produce up to 175 lumens of light, ensuring excellent visibility in low-light situations. Additionally, it offers multiple lighting modes, including high, medium, low, and strobe, adapting to different scenarios and conserving battery life. Whether you're in the wilderness or experiencing power outages at home, this light is a dependable tool for lightening up your surroundings and signaling for help. Make it a crucial addition to your survival gear. Next up, we have the 72 Pro by Uncharted Company. It's an all-in-one survival system designed to provide everything you need to survive in various emergency situations. It has food, water, first aid, tools, and even a tent all in one kit. It's small and easy to carry, so you can take it with you on your adventures or keep it for emergencies. The kit is organized with labels on each compartment, so you can find what you need quickly and easily. It also has a variety of tools for different situations, like starting a fire or purifying water. With this, you don't have to worry about putting together your own survival kit. It's all there in one package, ready for any situation. Whether you're exploring nature or getting ready for a disaster, it's a great choice for peace of mind and convenience. The Condor Wayfinder knife is an exceptional survival gear designed to withstand the toughest outdoor conditions. With a blade length of 10 inches, it offers a perfect balance between maneuverability and cutting power. This blade is made from high-quality 1095 high-carbon steel, ensuring durability and excellent edge retention. This knife features an ergonomic walnut handle, providing a comfortable and secure grip even in wet conditions. This versatile tool comes with a sheath, allowing for easy and safe storage. Whether you need to build a shelter, prepare food, or defend yourself, this knife is a reliable companion that ensures your survival in any wilderness situation. Need a tool for chopping wood, splitting logs, making kindling, building shelters, preparing food, and processing games? Look no further than the Bone Daddy Axis. This combines the functionality of a camp axe and a large bushcraft knife, making it a must-have for any deep wilderness journey. Inspired by the simplicity of Stone Age man's flint hand axes, it has been meticulously crafted using modern technology to ensure it is stronger, lighter, and better than ever before. Whether you need to start a fire, prepare a meal, clear a campsite, build a shelter, or even tackle heavy-duty tasks like felling giants and splitting logs, this Axis has you covered. So gear up with the Axis and conquer the wild with confidence. To get easy access, or to carry the Bone Daddy Axis sheath to your backpack, use the GPCA Carabiner Keychain. This versatile tool is perfect for everyday tasks and outdoor activities. It serves as a bottle opener, dog leash handle, box cutter, pry tool, and more. Made from durable metals like titanium, steel, or aluminum, our carabiners are tough and suitable for your rugged adventures. Designed for portability, this lightweight yet heavy-duty carabiner can be attached to your belt loop or backpack, allowing you to easily carry tools or keys wherever you go. In self-defense, the Quick Access Knuckle feature gives you an upper hand, making it a must-have survival gear. If you're ready for your next adventure, then don't forget to take the F6 Luku survival knife with you. It's a modern version of the famous Scandinavian Luku knife design, made from tough 3V steel. This 6-inch blade is extremely durable and can withstand harsh environments. Its weight distribution is perfect, making it the ultimate tool for all your camping needs. It effortlessly handles tasks ranging from light chopping to field dressing. With a 5.25-inch handle that provides a secure and comfortable grip, this knife is adaptable to any situation. When venturing into the wilderness, rely on this knife as your sole companion. With this sharp and tough knife, conquer the wilderness like never before. Carry your fire strip rolls, axes, knives, and all in an organized way with a Prometheus DesignWorks SH-ADO backpack. This pack is rugged and versatile, perfect for everyday carry and outdoor adventures. Made with high-quality materials like 500D and Vista Cordura, it's built to last. The clamshell opening provides easy access to the well-organized main compartment, complete with pockets and pouches. It also has a padded laptop sleeve for a 15-inch laptop. With multiple external pockets and attachment points, including water bottle pockets and MOLLE webbing, you can carry everything you need. Whether you're in town or in the wild, this backpack is your ultimate survival companion. The Camillus Camtrax is a survival gadget that packs a punch. It's a 3-in-1 tool that combines a hatchet, folding saw, and hammer into one compact and lightweight design. The hatchet head is sharp enough to split small logs and branches, and can also be used for general chopping tasks. Its folding saw has a 7-inch blade and a lock-back mechanism to keep it securely in place while in use. It's ideal for cutting through wood of various thicknesses, including limbs, branches, and small trees. And its hammer can be used for driving stakes, pounding nails, or cracking nuts. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, so you can easily carry it in your backpack or belt. Whether you're lost in the wilderness or just need a reliable tool to have on hand, it's the survival gear you will need. Last but not least, when it comes to survival gear, every ounce counts. That's why the AquaQuest Guide Tarp is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. This lightweight, durable tarp can be used to build a variety of shelters, from A-frames to lean-tos to tarp tents. Its dual coatings create a waterproof rating of over 5,000 millimeters. So no matter how heavy the rain is, you can trust this tarp to keep you dry and protected. Not only is it waterproof, but it's also ultra-light and compact. With minimal weight, it won't weigh you down during your adventures. Its versatility allows for a variety of pitch options, ensuring you can set up your shelter in any terrain. This tarp is designed to withstand the toughest conditions in the backcountry, providing reliable resilience for your next adventure. So that concludes our list of the 10 must-have survival gear and gadgets on Amazon. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.